The sun, if seen from its nearest star neighbor, would appear as a bright star among thousands. And from that neighboring star, traveling at the speed of light, it would take more than 4 years to reach the solar system. Four and a half billion years ago, the sun and its planets were born when an immense cloud of hydrogen and cosmic dust began to condense. As the huge cloud collapsed, pulled inward by its own gravity, a massive sphere circled by a great rotating disk of gas and dust took shape. As millions of years passed, pockets of whirling matter in the disk consolidated. When the central sphere, heated from the energy of its own collapse, reached 1 million degrees, nuclear fusion was ignited. And so, the sun began to shine. The young planets emerged, bathed in radiant sunlight. Swinging in vast orbits around the sun, the planets evolved for billions of years, and each became unique. Mercury, closest planet to the sun, is overwhelmed by its fiery parent. It is thought that the sun baked away half the original substance of Mercury. The lighter elements vaporized, leaving behind a planet made of rock and metal, 1/3 the size of Earth. With no atmosphere or erosion, craters left by crashing meteorites remain fresh forever. There is little chance for any form of life here. At noon, lead would melt. At night, the temperature becomes cold enough to make iron brittle as glass. In the black sky, we see the neighboring planet, Venus. Venus was once considered Earth's twin, but rather than a heavenly twin to Earth, Venus, named after the goddess of love, is under its clouds a fiery hell. The clouds of Venus resemble the kindly clouds of Earth, but are made of carbon dioxide and traces of corrosive acids. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 90 times greater than Earth's. The tops of the clouds are freezing, but under the clouds, trapped heat from the sun keeps the planet a raging inferno. it is unlikely we will ever find any evidence of life on Venus, past or present. For if living creatures ever walked this planet, both they and the cells of which they were made would long ago have been scorched beyond recognition. Past Venus, catching light that left the sun 8 minutes earlier, planet Earth and its moon. One can imagine travelers from another planet wondering if they might find beings similar to themselves here, or any signs of life, even a few quivering cells to relieve their loneliness. This is the view of Earth seen by human astronauts. To those travelers, it is home, where friends live and birds sing in the trees.
The chief issue is that of mining the deep seabed, where treasures and minerals lie exposed to any technology that can scoop them up. The trouble is that the developing nations want the activity...
The atmosphere shields the planet from certain of the sun's harmful rays and absorbs enough heat to keep the surface temperature comfortable for life.
Some progress